Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock management system updated. Begin by setting clear goals and KPIs, then map inventory categories and standardize SKUs. Choose a tracking method such as barcode scanning, RFID, or manual counts, and determine reorder points based on lead time and demand variability. Finally, decide between off-the-shelf software or a custom database, and plan regular audits to keep data accurate and actionable. Design a system that mirrors real warehouse workflows, starting with a clean database schema for products, locations, and transactions. Implement clear receiving, picking, packing, and returns processes to reduce mistakes and cycle times. Configure automated reorder rules using safety stock, lead times, and demand forecasts, and integrate alerts for low stock. Keep interfaces simple for staff and plan for scaling, as SKU counts and order velocity grow over time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a cheerful companion for your packing station, playing alerts, timers, and inventory reminders with simple voice commands. It fits neatly on a shelf and syncs with smart workflows for hands-free updates. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose technologies that match your budget and scale. Cloud SaaS offers quick setup and remote access, while on-premises gives local control. Add barcode scanners or mobile apps for faster transactions and integrate with POS or ERP to avoid duplicate entries. Focus on real-time synchronization, data validation rules, and an intuitive interface so staff adopt processes quickly. Plan backups, security, and reporting to measure performance and support continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.